Good late morning. It's around 11 o'clock in the morning, Monday, October 1st, and I'm on the Tully. I know I fished the Tully a lot, but we're really limited to where we can go in Pennsylvania right now. The Tully was, geez, I don't know if it was 600, 800, 900 at one point this weekend. I think they played with the levels Saturday and Sunday. And today they dropped it down to around 530, somewhere around there. So I am going nuts. I had to work the weekend, but all last week I didn't do any fishing, and I'm just itching to get out. So I figure, 530 is not ideal, but we're gonna make it work, okay? So obviously there's nothing on top rising. Water's up a little bit higher than usual. Let me show you. I'm here at Palisades, and I just picked this spot because it's a little bit more easier to wade here in the high water. So it's not that there's any more higher concentration of fish. There's fish all over the Tully, but it's just a little bit easier wading. So I am using a little bit different stuff today. Still using my 4X. I got a size, I'm going to show you here, BB split shot, kind of big, okay. Then I have my glow bug weed. You guys are thinking, well, you always use a glow bug, but I don't always use a glow bug with a bead in it, with a tungsten brass bead in it. So I got, let me show you, this tungsten brass bead inside there, okay, which is something very similar to like a Y2K, like what the Lively Legs guys do. I've tied a couple up like that in the past, but I usually don't do it. But since it's higher water, I tied up some with beads in them. Okay, then I have my own tie. This is an October Caddis soft tackle. I don't know if I can. It's all wet, so I should have showed it to you dry. But it's made with a light cinnamon body. I tied up two styles, one with a gold rib, one without. The one without a gold rib, I have wood duck for the hackle all around. And then I have a little bit of, it's not GSS Emerger, it's some type of light bright, very similar to the GSS Emerger material, but it's like a very bright copper color. Okay, you can see some of that in there. I'll be spinning it and you can see the copper color in there. I've never ever used that before. It's my own tie, and it's October, so we're going with the October Caddis soft tackle. And then I have the GSS Pupa. Okay, my GSS Pupa right there with a glass bead. Okay, that's what we were doing really good the last time we were up here. So, let's try something a little bit different. I would love to catch something on that October soft tackle, October Caddis soft tackle, because but that's not what's coming off here in the Tully. I really don't know if the Tully they have October Caddis, but it's not the October Caddis. The ones that actually come off, and I'm seeing a couple Caddis around here are still size like 22s, and they're more like a tan. But these October Caddis are big. They're size 10, 12, 14. 14 is actually small, but they're a big caddis that come off in October. So I don't really see them in the Tully, but maybe they are here and I don't know about it. So just gonna try something. So I'm gonna show you a couple of my first casts like I always do, and I'll put you on my hat here. Okay, so let's turn around. Got my camouflage hunting hat on, and the water here, even though I say it's around 530, it's probably only about 8 inches deep. Oh, a fish just came up right there, right in front of us. Ha! Oh my! Look at that. He was only like, oh, maybe like right out there. Right there, right there, right there. Let's see what happens. Look at that! Oh my gosh! First cast! Can you believe that? I threw it right at that fish and he ate it up. And what did he eat? He ate the GSS Pupa. Oh my gosh! Guys, it's not that easy. Believe me, it's not that easy. I cannot believe it. Nice brownie. Water 64, 65 degrees. Okay, look at that. Oh my gosh, that's all of like 2 seconds to catch. Come on, buddy. Oh my gosh. Nice fish with 12 inches. 12, maybe 13 inches. Oh my gosh. Guys, believe me, it is not that easy. So, okay, any other fish out there? Let's go out there. Man, he wasn't far. I am pretty far close to this bank that I usually walk up along, that everybody walks up along. But with this high water, I figure, you know, I'm only maybe 10, 11 yards off the bank. And I figure with this higher water, they may be a little bit more spread out. And, you know, so I'm trying to fish close to me first. And wow, I couldn't believe that. Probably be the only fish I catch all day. Hey guys, got this upstream. As soon as it hit the water, it whacked it. And it's on the GSS Pupa. Oh, I like that color. That GSS Pupa. Brownie. Wow, wow. About 11 inches. Oh. Almost looks like one of our little native fish out of the Kakusing. That's what it does. Okay. Hey guys, I got a monster on. Looks like one of those big selected trout. I think it's a rainbow. Not too sure. Okay. I don't know which one it's on, but it looks like it's on the GSS Pupa. Okay. Come on. Big old boy. Big old boy. With that program, selected trout program, it's the second year they had it on the Tully. And man, oh man, these fish are fun to catch. I know they're not wild fish, but in the Tully, they fight good. I've caught them in other streams. They don't seem to fight as well as they do here in the Tully. Okay. Get this big boy up here. Let's get this big boy up here. He is on the GSS Emerger. Okay, nice. Oh man, he's being tough. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. About 19, 20 inches. Oh man, look at him. Come on, buddy. Get you up here. Bring him on the side. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. come on, buddy. Let's get you up, get you up. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Oh, he's just, man, heavy, heavy fish. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's give up. Get you off. Release you. Oh my gosh. Man, he is just fighting. There he is. Come on. Got him up. 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 Okay. Yes. Oh my gosh. On the GSS Emerger. Come on, buddy. There you go. Show you guys. It barely fits in my net. He's probably a good 20. I don't even think he's 19. I think he's a good 20 inches. Probably a good 4 pounds. Wow, okay, let me get him out of there. Okay, guys, this is my third pass. And, you know, you can't argue with success. That GSS material, unbelievable. I took my little hairs here, soft tackle off, and put on the GSS Emerger. I got the GSS Pupa and the GSS Emerger. It's the old combination that's been successful and still proven to be true today. So why argue with success or try to just go with it? That old saying, go with it. If that's what they want, let's give it to them. Can't force feed them other stuff. Okay guys, in this new section, I had one on about 5 minutes ago. It got off. And now I got this other one here. Nice rainbow. And this is on the glow bug. Glow bug still has some life in it. I said in that last video, my glow bug gets no love anymore. I just use it as an attractor. I don't catch that many fish on it as I used to. Nice rainbow. About 12 inches. There you go. Yeah. Okay. So, I guess my little goal right for now is, since I'm doing okay, is each section I'm trying to pick up at least one fish. So that was the 5th one I landed. I had 2 get off, and this is the 4th section. So we're doing pretty good. In this whole section, in this whole big Palisades flat section, I could break this up into about 10 sections. So if I can grab about a dozen fish out of here, I consider that pretty successful for this area, okay? So let's leave that on. Slide this split shot up a little bit. Slid down a little. And show you a couple casts here. Don't have my battery pack on me, so I can't keep it on that much, and the hits are not consistent. I'm taking just being very patient, methodically working each section. So okay, we'll be back. Guys, boy, it's been about a half an hour. I didn't catch anything in section 5. Nothing. In section 4, the end of section, this is 4th section, I had another one of those big bruisers on. And straightened. Actually, I can't say straightened out my hook, but he opened up my hook. Oh, he just got off. That was a nice rainbow, about 14, 15 inches. Got off. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Man. So I landed 5. 3 got off. And actually 4. Well, that was the 4th one that got off. And but I'm in my 6th section right now. So maybe we'll make up for it. He was on the GSS Emerger. He would have been the first one on the Emerger. And it's getting tough. I'm getting down lower in this section. I'm definitely getting up to my waist, even a little bit above my waist, out in some of this deeper water. So, but still having fun. I mean, playing fish. Just, you know, some of them getting off. That's fishing. Okay, we'll be back. Feels like I got a good one on here. I don't know. Going up. I'm still in the 6th section. Okay, buddy. Oh, man. Oh, he's going upstream. Oh, he got off. Are you kidding me? Oh, my God. I didn't see him at all. And I'm just going to guess. I bet you he was hooked on the body or on the tail. I don't know. I didn't hook, at least I don't know. I mean, I've had fish get off today, but all the fish that I landed today were hooked good. And, so I don't know, but he just kind of felt like he was hooked kind of weird, and he was fighting kind of weird. So, well, in this 6th section, we had 2 nice fish get off. But didn't land any here yet, but I'm not done yet. I still got about, well, almost 10 yards to walk over. So, let me check my hook out. Let me check my hook, because that one fish straightened out the hook. Split shot slid down a little bit. That hook's good. That hook's good. I can actually bend that one down a little. Okay. And, yep, that hook's good. So, all of our hooks are good. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys. Man, it's been a long time. But, got this guy on the GSS Pupa. And, boy, do I want to get him in. I usually didn't make too much of a deal about landing fish, but I'm playing a game today with these fish. And the fish are winning. This will at least put me at 50%. 6 on, 6 landed, and 6 landed, and 6 got off. If I can land this guy, so let's get him in quick as I can. Oh, missed him. Come on, get him. Okay. He is on the GSS Pupa. Good 12, 13-inch rainbow. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Cool. So, my trying to play that game of trying to catch one fish in each section. I am not doing well there. Well, this was section 6, 7. This is section 8. And so I did catch some in 6, but I didn't catch anything in 5 or 7. Section 5 or section 7. And I did catch, like I said, I did land 6. I had 6 get off. And so, I mean, it's still a great day. But you have to, you know, when you have days like this, you have to throw a little twist into the day and make up your own little challenge. And so that was my thing. I was trying to break this whole section that I'm fishing into little sections and try to catch at least one fish out of each section. And one of the sections up above I did catch 2 fish out of, but then 2 of these lower sections I didn't catch anything out of. So like I said, I like to add a little bit of an extra challenge to it, or just make a game out of it and see what happens. Like I said, it throws in a little extra twist into the day, and I don't know, find different ways to have fun fishing. Okay. Hey guys, I'm in the riffs. 530 CFSs, I'm fishing the riffs. Got a nice rainbow here on the GSS Pupa. There you go. Right here. This is actually my second one. One got off. So, still batting 50%. Landed my 7th one and 7 got off. Okay, that's a nice one though. Beautiful. Good 14 inches. Nice. Hey guys, fish are hungry in these riffs. Getting the bugs. Getting the bugs out of these riffs. There you go, man. Nice fish. Nice heavy fish in here. Okay. Man, nice fish. Good, another 13, 14 inches. Look at that. Okay. Woohoo. On the GSS Pupa. Hey guys, just had one on. It got off. Cast over there again and got this guy. This one's on the GSS Emerger. Brownie. Okay, so that still put me back at 50%. 8 fish landed and 8 fish got off. Okay. A little guy here. About 11, maybe 12, but 11 inches looks more like. Nice brownie though. Pretty boy. Okay, fat. Look how fat he is. Okay. Man. Guys, I just had one, another monster on. Has 3 monsters today. Just got off. So, I hooked one earlier to it. I landed 9, 8 got off. Well, nope. 9 and 9. Back up to 500. That fish right there. So, ay. The fish are feeding a lot more aggressively in this faster bristly water. Taking it pretty good. Ay. That one was well over 20 inches. Jeez. That one looked like a big brownie. Okay, we'll be back. Hey guys. This one kid put me over 50%. He's on the GSS Pupa. On the GSS Pupa. Okay. There he goes. There he goes, there he goes. Nice rainbow. Nice fat fish, feeding good. Okay. Beautiful. Okay, guys. Got one on. Boy, I caught this one so close to me. It wasn't even rod length out. Get him in here. Oh man, he is just running. I think this fish thinks he's a Delaware fish. He's not that big. Oh, it looks like he's about 12 inches. Yeah, right here. Okay, it looks like he's hooked on the gill plate or something. Okay. There we go. Let's get him up here. Oh, brownie. Little brownie. Number 12. Up near the fin. Come here. Okay. Yep. Okay. Mark brown. There we go. Oh, guys, I should have had this on film. I caught him right in those sticks. Right in those white bubbles. GSS Pupa. Man, that sucker, that just outfished everything today. It's not much different than the Emerger, but they like the Pupa better. Maybe it's that blackhead, glass bead, I don't know. There you go. Nice big rainbow. Nice big rainbow. Fat. There you go, man. Okay. Guys, I'm back up in the fast rapids. And fish are still hitting. Fish are still hitting. Look at that. That's from the GSS Emerger, that one. Get him up top here. Come on, splash. Okay. On the Emerger. Nice brownie, pretty colors. There you go. Very nice. Right on his nose. There you go. Oh, it came out after a barbless hook. There you go. Okay. Well, listen, guys. It was, you know what? It was a challenging day. I took my good old time. It is, I started at 11. It's around 4:30. So a little over 5 hours we fished. And first half up in the flats, we landed 6 and 6 got off. Just trying to play a game up there with the fish, but I wound up losing that game. I set my own rules, but the fish won. And said I came down here to these fast riffs, all these fast riffs down here, and we caught 11 fish. But out of the 11, only 3 got off, and I landed 8. So that was pretty cool. I think it's probably because, you know, the fish in this fast water don't have the same time as those fish up there. They probably hit it a little bit softer down here. They hit it a little bit more aggressive in the faster water. So you get a little nicer hook set. I'm just guessing. I don't know exactly, but it seemed to be, the hits were a little bit harder up here. Down here in the fast water. So, but the flow pretty much stayed the same today. It seemed it was, I started out, it was 5:20, around 5:23, 5:24. I was talking to my buddy and he was looking at the website and he said it was 5:27. So it pretty much just stayed the same all day. But this is pretty high for the Tully. Although, what's low on the Tully on what we would consider a regular day might be ideal when it's high. So, don't always fish the same spots. If some spots are, when some spots are deep that you can't get to, and the Tully or any stream is really low, go to those spots and maybe you can reach some of those fish in those deep holes now. Same way with the shallow spots. The shallow spots may hold fish, when the river's higher. So you got to be versatile. You don't always go to your same honey holes. Different flows, they present differently. The fish move around. So, like I said, we had a good day today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Watching this, and just thank you very much, and thumbs up it if you like it and share it with your buddies. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.